What you doing? What you doing, Paige?
I found a horse.
You found a horse.
This is Flash.
Hi, Flash.
Hi, Flash. Hi. Yes, hi. You're so dirty. I love it. Hey, everyone, and happy random video Monday. It is a Monday, and it's on a farm. Oh, sorry. Sorry, Flash. Here you go. I got overexcited. I know. I'm here to play with some goats. So here we go. Join me.
What else do you get to play with?
There's longhorn cows, and there's a horse.
Where are the longhorns?
They're over there. Look at them. They're so pretty.
And then you want to warn them that I probably did the video
She probably
wrong?
did some of this video wrong because she forgot and was so excited about taking pictures and videos of me with animals.
It's true.
Because she never gets them, apparently, which
I'm
is ridiculous.
sorry.
So
You need to hire a new...
A little silly. Just know it was her fault.
It's my fault.
Yeah. Is that so yummy, Flash?
Is there even anything in there?
Not really. It's pretty much empty, but that's okay. Look at your curly little hair. It's so cute.
To let us pet her. She just, when we got her, she doesn't really handle
Oh,
like
dragonfly,
people.
you're drooling.
Ew.
Oh, yeah.
This little heifer is so interesting. Her name's Butterfly, I guess. I asked the guy the other day.
Jessica, she just spit it out and is re-eating it.
Little cow.
Right?
Gertie, you're so known cute.
Lemurs.
Oh, you're both drooling like crazy.
That's your favorite, huh?
Here you go. You want this?
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Woo!
There are babies in there crying.
Oh, my goodness.
Look at that little baby just...
I know.
Yeah, I know.
We're playing. She's like, oh, that's kind of my size.
Get him. Don't put up with that.
Don't play with it.
You can eat it. Yeah, there you go. Well, don't drop it. Oh, no, Gertie. All right, go big girl.
No, you gotta put it in your mouth.
Hi, Gertie. Hi. Yeah, do you want some lovin's, huh? Do you want some lovin's? Yeah. What are you? Are you a longhorn? Yeah. Yeah, are you a longhorn? Yeah. I get to top of your head. I can't if you keep moving. There you go. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Are you a little jealous, Marshmallow? You a little jealous? Standing so close? Oh, shake. You're so dirty, lady. So dirty. Oh, yeah. Marshmallow. Back to you, Gertie. Back to you. And there's your baby. There's your baby, Gertie. You did good, lady. You did good. Yeah. Hi.